Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge, and that's number 56. The prompt is station, and I'm going to make a pocket. Well, I have this stuff. I have a beautiful picture, old picture of a train station. I love it, but well, I thought I can use this as a pocket and then it's okay, and it's okay, but that's very easy. But maybe I'll do that, I don't know. But I gathered some stuff, more stuff, some tickets and a suitcase and some train stamps. Well, that's what I found. So not sure how I do this. I like this the way it is, grungy, but I think it's a bit too big for my journals. Where is a journal of mine? Here is a journal. One moment. Yeah. If I have this journal just for the size, well, it's too big. And I can use this frame that's not too big. So I think I'm going to cut it out. And well, well, I just start and then go with the flow. I will speed it up a bit because I have to think, and well, yeah, let's start. Enjoy watching.